Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Daniel here, and welcome to my new video of this things unboxing. But first of all, let me apologize for my subscribers because, well, I guess you guys been waiting for me and clicked on the subscribe on my channel. I really appreciate it, but I stopped making video in the past half a year or more because I thought that I need to have a, at least a proper studio for better video recording, and that's why I stopped making video this long. Sorry for you guys. Um, and right now, finally, my own room is ready, and I think that in the future I can make more video as possible and as best quality as possible for you guys to enjoy my channel and to support my work. And I really appreciate you guys, all you guys, to watch my videos in the future or even now this episode. So first things first, let me apologize again because there's a street outside of my house that a lot of cars and trucks walk past by, and they may make a lot of noise that disturbing the video. But anyway, Exacoat from Jakarta. I ordered it a week ago, and this thing just delivered to my house like 2 days ago. This is the brand that is local in Indonesia, where I'm right now living in Indonesia. There are skins that I once ordered it before from my Galaxy S8, and the quality was excellent. I ordered that was for the black carbon fiber skin, and that quality was excellent. Exacoat Black Camo Edition, as you guys can see it, material wise, made in the USA, designed by Exacoat, and these are all the information that you guys can reach them. It's skins reimagined. Let's get it open. This skin is actually ordered from my Pixel 2 XL because I'm thinking that I need to have some customization, at least that in case that if I don't want to use a bulky case like this, and if I don't accidentally make any drops for my phone, that I think the skin is okay to use, since the 3M skin is really good at scratch resistance. The microfiber cleaning cloth, if you look closer, let me open it first. If you guys can see clearly, even the microfiber cleaning cloth has the Exacoat logo on it. This is the skin itself, black camo. If you guys want to see the reflection, I can just turn on the flashlight and you like you guys see. I mean, wow, even though this is not like silver reflective, like not that super dope reflection, that really high profile, this is just all black reflection, but this already look cool. Like, I mean, look at this. If you're turning back there, you will see that the 3M certified 3M wrap film series 1080. I don't know much about this series product, but I do know the most important thing is this 3M. So it's legit. Great job, Exacoat. But for Exacoat, I mean, if you guys are watching this video, Exacoat, you guys should make some customization other than just giving option to full cover the whole back, because, well, if you guys see, if you guys ever saw what the Pixel Texel looks like, in case I have it here with the panda colorway, especially for the panda, the black camo ones. If I apply it to my phone, that can you imagine that the back of it will fully covered by the black color? I know this is dope, but it doesn't show the special design of the phone, the black and white. So Exacoat, you guys should make some option just like the one that the brand offers, that to let us the customers to have the what's the word, have the ability to able to let us customize the skin, especially with different colors and different combinations up to us. And I think if you guys can make your surface like that, that would be excellent. But for this one, it's already good enough. But I mean, if you guys can make that the fully customization, like maybe the frame is a black and the here up here can be white or black or maybe other like blue or other pattern like wood or concrete, you know, that would be dope. I wish that you guys can do this. That would be excellent. This is it. The review of the Google Pixel 2 XL black camo skin from Exacoat Jakarta. Oh, and a little story about this company that last year when I ordered my skin, the black carbon fiber skin from themselves, Exacoat, that they were only able to offer local shipping, which is Indonesia shipping. But right now, 1 week ago when I visited the website, that I found out they actually started to do international shipping, which is great because that means that they are trying to do global business other than just local Indonesian business, and I'm supporting that because the price of shipping that maybe only for Indonesia one, um, the price is actually okay. It's not like super cheap, but okay in terms of the provided material for 3M. That would be great. So Exaco, you guys are doing a great job, but you guys need to have more customization options. That would be great. Okay, so this is it for the review, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And in the future, I try to do as many video as possible and as best quality as possible to let my precious subscribers and audiences to enjoy my channel. And thank you for you guys for watching it, and I'll really appreciate it. And please, oh yeah, last thing, please like and share my video. Maybe subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.